Namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the captivating aspects of Indian culture. From its diverse traditions to its mouth-watering cuisine, India has a lot to offer. Join us as we delve into 10 fascinating points that make Indian culture truly unique. So, let's get started. Number 1. Diversity and unity. India is a land of immense diversity. With over 2,000 distinct ethnic groups and more than 1,600 languages spoken, it's a melting pot of cultures. From the rugged mountains of the Himalayas to the lush backwaters of Kerala, each region has its own distinct traditions, languages, and cuisines. Despite this diversity, there is a strong sense of unity among the people. Festivals, such as Diwali and Holi, bring communities together and showcase the beauty of India's collective identity. Number 2. Festivals galore. India is known for its vibrant and lively festivals, which are celebrated with great enthusiasm throughout the country. Diwali, the festival of lights, illuminates the night sky with sparkling fireworks and lamps. It symbolizes the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil. Holi, the festival of colors, sees people joyously throwing colorful powders and water at each other, symbolizing the arrival of spring and the celebration of life. Navratri, a 9-night festival, is dedicated to dance, music, and devotion, with people coming together to perform energetic folk dances like Garba and Dandiya. Number 3. Yoga and meditation. India is the birthplace of yoga and meditation, practices that have gained global recognition for their physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. Yoga involves physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques that promote holistic well-being. It is not just a form of exercise but a way of life that helps individuals achieve balance and harmony in their bodies and minds. Meditation, on the other hand, focuses on calming the mind and achieving inner peace. Number 4. Traditional clothing. Indian clothing reflects the country's rich cultural heritage and diversity. Women often wear saris, elegant and colorful draped garments made from various fabrics like silk, cotton, or chiffon. The style of draping varies across different regions of India, each with its own unique charm. Men can be seen wearing vibrant turbans, dhotis, or kurta pajamas, depending on the region and occasion. Number 5. Incredible architecture. Indian architecture is renowned for its grandeur and intricacy, showcasing the influence of various dynasties and empires that ruled the subcontinent throughout history. The Taj Mahal, an iconic symbol of love, showcases the finest example of Mughal architecture with its white marble structure, intricate carvings, and stunning symmetry. The ancient rock-cut caves like those in Ellora and Ajanta offer a glimpse into the artistic brilliance of ancient India, with their elaborate sculptures and stunning murals. From majestic palaces like the City Palace in Udaipur to awe-inspiring temples like the Brihadiswarar Temple in Thanjavur, India's architectural wonders are a testament to its rich history, cultural diversity, and craftsmanship. Number 6. Cuisine and spices. The rich and diverse culinary traditions of India are influenced by various factors, including regional ingredients, historical influences, and cultural practices. From the buttery and flaky naan bread to the aromatic and flavorful curries, each dish is a culinary delight. Indian cuisine is known for its use of spices, such as turmeric, cardamom, cumin, coriander, and many more, which not only add flavor but also offer health benefits. The blending of spices and the art of balancing flavors is what makes Indian food truly special. Indian street food, with its mouth-watering chaat, samosas, and kebabs, is a must-try for food enthusiasts, offering a burst of flavors and a glimpse into the vibrant street culture of India. Number 7. Classical music and dance. Bharatanatyam, a classical dance form from South India, is characterized by intricate footwork, graceful expressions, and rhythmic movements. It is often performed as a form of devotion in temples. Kathak, a classical dance form from North India, is known for its storytelling through dance and graceful twirls. Hindustani classical music, with its melodic ragas, intricate improvisations, and soul-stirring vocals or instrumental performances, has captivated audiences for centuries. Number 8. Traditional crafts. Artisans across the country create intricate hand-woven textiles, such as the famous Banarasi silk saris, the delicate Chanderi fabric, and the vibrant bandana prints. The craftsmanship of Indian artisans is also evident in woodwork, pottery, metalwork, and intricate jewelry. Each region has its own unique style and techniques, passed down through generations. Whether it's the intricate filigree work of Odisha, the delicate pashmina shawls of Kashmir, or the vibrant Warli paintings of Maharashtra, these traditional crafts are not only a source of livelihood for artisans but also a way to preserve India's rich cultural heritage and showcase its artistic excellence. Number 9. Spiritual beliefs. India is the birthplace of major religions like Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. The country is home to magnificent temples, serene ashrams, and sacred pilgrimage sites. Hindu temples, with their ornate architecture and intricate sculptures, offer a glimpse into India's deep spiritual beliefs and mythological stories. The sacred city of Varanasi, situated on the banks of the river Ganges, is considered one of the holiest places in Hinduism, where people come to wash away their sins and attain spiritual liberation. The Bodh Gaya temple, where Gautama Buddha is believed to have attained enlightenment, attracts Buddhist pilgrims from around the world. Sikhism, a religion founded in Punjab, emphasizes equality, selfless service, and devotion to God. Number 10. Bollywood magic. As the world's largest film industry, Bollywood produces a staggering number of movies each year. Known for its vibrant dance sequences, catchy music, and captivating storylines, Bollywood has a global fan following. It serves as a platform to showcase Indian culture, traditions, and emotions, captivating audiences worldwide. And that concludes our journey through 10 fascinating points that make Indian culture truly remarkable. We hope you enjoyed this exploration and gained a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of Indian culture. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. And please comment how old are you when you know these things about Indian culture. Until next time, Namaste.